Hello and wait, what the hell? Maybe I hope the mic didn't overpower you. I'm very sorry if I did. It will if it busted your eardrums. But welcome to episode of RequiredTech Adventures. The problem with this OBS scene is just my webcam. Look at the tubes board. Look. See, there's a problem with this. There is a problem. Black borders. We don't want that. So let me just add image to it. Apologies if you can't see the apologies if my OBS decides if it overlays the image to play. You can't apologies, you can't see me at the moment. I don't know why. Give me a moment while I just change the quality of the sources. There we go. Right, so now you can actually see what the hell I'm doing, and now the black borders have been restored to the RequiredTech image, which is excellent because now I don't the welcoming screen where I start the episodes doesn't turn into a black border nightmare. So So this episode 8, is going to be setting up my OBS to, I don't know, when I go live or some stuff like that. So join me on the thing where I just find out what the hell I'm doing. By the way, we have a few upgrades here to the system. 16 gigs of, we have bumped up from 8 to 16 gigs of RAM finally, which is excellent. The 4 gigs of swap space might not be used as much anymore, but 16 gigs of RAM, that is excellent. Also, the GPU has been upgraded to an RTX 3060 Ti, which is good, but the only problem is that this graphics card overheats to an idiocy of badness. You see, on my other computer, which is the one I have this GPU in, decide when I would try and run a game or something and it heats up to 84 degrees, its temperature starts off. I don't know. If the GPU overheats, it's going to cause damage and turn off often the temperature reaches that temperature, which means if I'm playing a game and it starts off because of a temperature, the temperature sensors reaching that degree, then that will be a problem, and it'll shut off and restart my computer to cool it down, which is not good. It's maybe because the reason is because the RTX 3060 Ti has smaller fans than my 2070. I could have installed more fans. Yeah, solution is I should install my fans onto that case anyway. Right, what are we doing? Setting up the thing for live stream. So we're gonna. The reason why I'm setting up for live stream is that we're gonna go live in a few episodes. So episode 14 to episode 15 will be good as we go live on those subsequent episodes. The reason why I have a KVM folder is that we'll save it for a future episode, maybe episode 11, where we can do this. Okay, I'm going to go on to my recordings here. There's something called ALA Live CD train19.mp4. I made this before, made this ahead of time. It's the same thing. It is the same intro sequence, but it's long. The countdown is 2 minutes and 40 seconds, because of the music I have on there. So I'm gonna move this to the video section. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna hit copy here so I don't lose the file. And by the way, the transfer is at least, it's saying 12.7 megabytes per second. How is it so fast as hell? Okay, to remind you, the problem with this now is that the mics are currently in a source, and I can't be nowhere to be seen, so I'm going to make a new nested scene. So nest. Sorry about that. You're seeing a black screen at the moment because I'm fixing stuff. Yes. Yes, I know how to do these things. Apologize if you hear double. I'm just okay. Apologies if you hear double stuff. Add existing desktop audio. That's the one we need, and add output and input capture. Apologies if you can hear this twice. My clocks. Right, so here now I have these things. I'm going to go in here and add a scene and add the global audio here. Right, there we go. And maybe on the webcam I should not have desktop audio enabled. So input capture my corks. There we go. That's what we need. Right, now it should be my C922, which is C922 mic. I'm just gonna do C922, and then I'm gonna put in brackets funny mic because nobody knows what we can do. Right, and then we just need scene 2, and also we're going to disable the audios right now. I'm very sorry you can't see this because I'm actually fixing stuff right now, so I'm just going to disable anything global audio, and you can only see my funny mic. If I switch scenes now, you can't hear me at all, so apologies if you can't hear me at all. The C922, I do apologise, I'm using my C922 today. It's not optimized for streams, and if I do want to continue this, I'm gonna find something on I'm just gonna change these names. Cause why the hell not? Also, if I cut my OBS, I swear to God. Oh wait, can I just? I'm gonna set this to fee, so it should be video capture device. And then why does it say image? I'm just gonna change this to dash bracket capital I slash. Funny mic again. Damn it. Right, apologies if you can't hear me. I'm just switch settings at the moment. So I'm gonna pause this and switch settings. Okay, so apologize there. That was the live stream thing. That was the live stream thing I popped up. I'm just gonna lock that. I'm just gonna lock everything so that I don't accidentally move it during the stream. Right. My apologies, I'm gonna have to change the name, and unfortunately it's gonna trigger my start scene screen, so you don't get to see that. Okay, so the problem is that okay, we're back. Unfortunately, there is a few problems. There's still going to be a few problems. Stream elements in your Streamlabs is going to be shit. The problem is we don't have the correct fonts. So I'm gonna add text here. Test message. And then I'm going to type in something like, hello, how are you, xd, Arch Linux, lol. Okay, and I'm going to do test. So this thing right here is my test message. It's normally when I'm minimized, you can still see it and all that stuff. But the problem is, right, the font I'm using, right, is not on the system. The problem is it's not on the system. If you see it, if you don't see it here, I don't have it. Flipping. So the font I'm using, right, by the way, is actually Victor Tran's font. Believe it or not, the entire thing I've been using this channel is me using the Victor Tran font. And if Victor Tran sees this, I do apologise, Victor Tran. I don't like using your font as my branding, but listen, if you want me to change it for the series, let me know. I'll change it and find another font. Fair enough. So the fonts are usually stored somewhere on my share, which is currently on the important thing, which is on here, because you get to see everything differently on here rather than on my Windows install. Because wait, I don't have. Wait a second. Can I switch over to details view? Oh, nice. It's very much simpler just to do this, and I can. Maybe it's more important for me to do this. Nice. Okay, now I have all my fonts here, which is excellent. Might switch to BF-HUD if necessary. Listen, if Victor Tran doesn't want to use my font, I'll switch back to my BF-HUD font, and we'll be fine with it. Then the series can continue with my BF-HUD font, but it's going to be white text, black shader. None of that red shit. Right, we have contourregular.ttf and we open this with kfont viewer. So this is what we have here. This is a font file. So a font file basically is that in Windows, it's easier to install a font on Windows because it's one click. You right click, click install, and it's installed on your computer easily. But on Linux, kfont view is what you used for KDE. If it was XFCE or anything else, I do not know what to do, because I haven't installed a font on XFCE, even though we didn't install fonts on XFCE. We didn't install custom fonts on that XFCE because that was a problem. So we're going to click on install because that's the one we need to click. So it's going to pop up a dialog box to say where to install. It wants us to, if we want to install this font for personal only, meaning it's going to be on my home directory, which is home/raim in this case, or system-wide, which would be available to all users. Since I'm the only one using this, I'm going to hit system and enter my root password. Oh wait. Okay, but the problem is, right now, is that KDE is asking me to authenticate as myself, which is a huge security risk. And if I enter my root password, it's going to say it's incorrect for some reason, because it says authentication failed, please try again. So I'm going to deny that and going to force KDE to say, oh right, you're doing an administrative task, root password please. Because right now sudo is honouring my root password purposes, but KDE isn't. So, but the problem is I don't know how to do it, so I'm going to search KDE authentication, KDE prompt. No, that's system or. Yeah, there is YubiKey chance response requests, but I just want to force it to use the password prompt. So there should be a way to force the Polkit here to force me to use the root user password instead of using my actual damn password. Yes, I know it's easier to stuff use. Sit. How do you force root access? Polkit. Oh yes, I found it. I need to edit. Always authenticate admins by prompting for the root password, same to the default root PW option in sudo. Yes. So Art 6 episode 8 is forcing my Polkit authentication to actually use the root password instead of asking me for my actual password. This is for high security reasons only, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I do not want to use my flipping user password to get into the system. I want to log in to my user using my weak password, and if I'm doing anything administrative on here, I want the root password to be used. So I need to do sudo su, or I can do sudo nano. So that's etc slash polkit1 roles.d. It should be. Can I just ls this shit? Oh wait, sudo ls slash etc slash polkit1 roles.d. Damn it, sorry about this. I might have to know the new root password. If I do ls... Oh, I can't even ls this. So I'm gonna do sudo nano etc slash polkit 49 root pw underscore global dot walls. And I'm just gonna copy this and paste it into my lines here. I'll always authenticate this by prompting them for the root password. That's the one we need. I do not know if it will do it. I'm just gonna prompt for admin access now. So I'm gonna do kfont view, open this again, install its system line, and it's gonna prompt for the root password. There we go. Authenticating as root. There we go. Because the reason why I did this is so that security is tightened on the system. Because you know what, I don't like using my normal root password. Finished. Please make sure there's only locations to be restored. So what? I have to reset my OBS. So apologies. I gotta have to reset my damn OBS. But this is episode 8. We can't conclude the episode yet. Once I am going to use a temporary font, I am going to install this font, BFHUD, because you know this is actually my font. So for the reasons why, this is my own brand new font for the Required Aim and RequiredTech YouTube channels. The reason why I use a different font for the RequiredTech channels because I want to be more tech things and tech stuff. That's the reason I don't use this font as often as you think on this channel. So, same thing, install system, and also it's not prompting me for the root password every 5 minutes. I don't... You know what else Linux is complaining about? I don't have to enter the root password every single time I have to do stuff. Maybe because when you log in, I usually do this. Oh wait, why am I opening this in File Manager? What? What's this? Oh wait, how am I supposed to use $? Action is not registered. What's action ID? Oh wait. So you can bypass shit. Oh wait, I want to use this one, which is this one. I usually use this, and it's gonna... Yeah, alright. So the reason why this is Polkit is because, I don't like being prompted. Yeah, this is what happens when you just enable logging in and you just don't prompt me for the password, which is not good. I don't like that one. But is there a cooldown? Because... yeah, sudoers file. Yeah, it's still the sudoers file. Yeah, we already have Polkit because at least we can use this. But the problem is we can... Oh wait, we can actually install PolicyKit actions. Because the reason why we have PolicyKit is so that, one, we can prompt it for admin password, which is not good. It is good, security-wise. We have... we now have authentication to enable this. If it prompts, because if we do pkexec echo hi, it's gonna prompt me to authenticate, which is good. It's gonna say run the program as another user. Yes, yeah, it is going to. If I just need pkexec pacman s pacman. You can use what you pkexec just to get into there. I really love Polkit as the reason. The problem is, right, should be, yeah, there's a lot of stuff. But I love Polkit. I prompted for the root password, so GG, we're good. Oh wait, you can't even change the fonts on here? Wait, what did I just save? I don't know, I've saved stuff. No, I don't like. What's... Let's do this. Weekend. Morning. Okay, we can do a lot of fussiness, but I can't, if we hit cancel, it must say. But the problem is, this is displaying the time, and I love that. Which is really good. Oh wait, what else? Because now I installed fonts and stuff. Maybe we should call this episode 8, installing fonts and configuring OBS. The reason why is because there is no idea what I'm doing. It's just font installations. Right, Nice. I'm just going to conclude the episode here, because you know why. Because there's a reason. But, thank you for, sorry for the funny mic. I'm actually using my C922 as the mic's, and apologies if the mic is awful today. I don't have the necessary engineering to get to my real headset today. So thank you for watching Arctic Adventures episode 8, and I'll see you next time on Arctic Adventures. Next episode we might do we might do virtualization, might be a VirtualBox or Livert KVM. I do not know. Just next episode, I do not know. Maybe I should wobble the windows. I do not know. Compiz was old as hell. Window managers are very amazing and they're complicated as hell. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go now. So bye.